Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Plants vs. Zombies dimension. That's right, guys, and we're hopefully going to be versing some plants, or maybe versing some zombies. I actually knew a friend that once had a plant that actually ate flies, so it was like plants versus flies. That could actually be a game, to be honest. Plants versus flies. Couldn't it, Cal? Yeah, he agrees with me. But what you're going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 13 blocks of emerald. You want to go ahead and place 4 of them on the ground, just like that, guys. And after you have done that, you just want to go jump on up. And then you want to place 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. Then you just want to go jump on down. And then place 3 on this side, guys. And then you just want to go ahead and place 2 in the middle. And then 2 in the middle. And then 1 on the edge, and now you can go ahead and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created. This thing looks so amazing. It would make me want to scroll down, hit the red subscribe button and the thumbs up button because I absolutely love this frame. But after you have done that, you just want to go ahead and you want to light this baby up, and wow! Don't that look absolutely amazing, guys? But now it's time to go ahead and head on in to this dimension. Hopefully they do not eat me like that one plant ate those flies, guys, because I would not want to be like those flies, because that's just crazy. But whoa! Oh my god, that is an absolutely humongous mushroom, guys, and a humongous plant, and there's also a frog over there in the water, guys, and a villager who looks like he's drowned in, and he's about to go at any second because he did not learn how to swim. He did not take swimming lessons at the Y. But let's go ahead and take a look at what we was on. It looks like we was on an alligator hand. That's pretty cool, guys. That's actually pretty cool. But let's go ahead and swim in the water, unlike these villagers can, because they just don't know how to swim, guys. I'm not for sure why they don't know how to swim. They should definitely know how to swim. Let me go and pick up this meat, because I always need some meat to eat, guys. But whoa, that's where we came from, guys. That does look pretty cool. It looks even cooler from a distance. But let's go ahead and see if these, like, mushrooms are like houses, because they look like they would be. Oh my god, it actually is a house. I could actually live in here, guys. It has a bed, it has a chest, it has, this must be the bathroom. Wow, guys, it has all the necessities. All the Smooth Marky necessities. Wow, that is cool, guys. That is absolutely cool. And oh my god, this one is not a house. But if somebody wants to turn it into a house, they could turn it into a house. And then them and their friends could live in this dimension. I think that would be pretty freaking epic, guys. But let me go ahead and blow a hole into it so you guys can see how spacious it is on the inside. And boom! Wow, see how spacious that is? It's so spacious. The spaciousness killed the cow. He's seen how cool and spaciousness it was, and he actually ended up just blowing up. But whoa, look over there at that village, guys. It's a floating village. Wow, that's amazing, guys. That is absolutely amazing. But whoa, look at this humongous plant. Wow, let's go ahead and hop on into this though first. I'm actually going to go ahead and try to drive this thing because I really love that. That's probably the most epic thing in this dimension is that frog boat, guys. Like, I really love that frog boat. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to climb up to the top of this plant and see if he has a brain, or if somebody's inside his head controlling him, telling him everything to do, guys. Like, wouldn't that be something if we busted inside his head and, like, Herobrine was in there? Or maybe the Entity 303? Or maybe Granny? Or maybe the neighbor? Or maybe Smooth Marky? No, wait, I'm Smooth Marky. Oh, never mind about that. But, whoa! We are really high up right now, guys. And I have a feeling if we try to jump down, we would probably end up dying. But let's go ahead and crack open his head, guys, and I'm about to do open brain surgery. It's really dangerous doing open brain surgery because like a billion germs could get inside his brain and like destroy it. But you know what? I'm gonna take that risk, guys. So let's go and boom! Whoa! He has no brain. He has no brain. No brain whatsoever, guys. Like, there is no brain inside this guy's head. That is pretty crazy. What do you think about it, Sergeant Pig? Oh, you searched and you didn't see it? Yeah, I did too, and there's no brain. But we can make a brain with TNT. But the problem with TNT brains is if they get overloaded, they will blow to space. They will. It'll just blow everything to space. So let's go ahead and let's test it out, Pig. We are on the brink of something seriously dangerous. Are you trying to leave? Oh my god, my pig surgeon's actually trying to leave the operation. You can't leave the operation halfway in. We're going to space. Oh my god. We did not go to space. We did not go to space whatsoever, guys. And oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It ended up blowing up my mushroom houses. Can you believe this, Pig? It ended up blowing up my mushroom houses and my frog boat. I loved my frog boat. I cannot believe it blew up my house and my frog boat. But I'm really upset about my frog boat, because I really loved that frog boat, guys. And I also really loved my mushroom. I think I could probably fix this, though, guys. I think I could probably fix those. But if you guys did enjoy that absolutely humongous explosion, please make sure to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.